To encourage your peace lily spathiphyllum to produce more blooms, you'll need to create an environment that closely mimics its natural habitat. Peace lilies thrive in bright, indirect light and require specific conditions to produce their elegant white blooms. Here's a guide to help your peace lily blossom. 1. Light. Bright, indirect light. Place your peace lily near a window where it gets bright, indirect light. While peace lilies tolerate low light, they are more likely to bloom in brighter settings. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch the leaves. 2. Watering. Keep soil moist, but not wet. Peace lilies like consistently moist soil but dislike waterlogged conditions. Water your plant when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which affects bloom production. Avoid tap water. Peace lilies are sensitive to chemicals like chlorine and fluoride in tap water. Using distilled or filtered water can help prevent browning on the leaves and improve overall health. 3. Humidity. High humidity levels. These plants thrive in high humidity. Mist the leaves or place the pot on a tray filled with pebbles and water to maintain humidity. 4. Temperature. Maintain warm temperatures. Peace lilies prefer temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. They are sensitive to cold drafts, so keep them away from vents, windows, or doors in colder months. 5. Fertilizing. Use a balanced fertilizer. Feed your peace lily with a balanced, water-soluble houseplant fertilizer like a 20-20-20 every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Over-fertilizing can damage the plant, so follow label directions carefully. 6. Repot if needed. Repot in fresh soil every 1 to 2 years. If your peace lily has become root-bound, it may struggle to produce blooms. Repotting into a slightly larger pot with fresh, well-draining soil can encourage new growth and blooms. 7. Give it time. Patience is key. Some peace lilies bloom only once or twice a year, and it can take months for blooms to reappear. Ensuring consistent care will support future blooming. By providing the right conditions, your peace lily is more likely to reward you with its beautiful blooms. Happy growing! Repotting steps. Here is how to do it step by step. 1. Prepare the new pot. Choose a pot that is 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. Fill it with a well-draining potting mix. 2. Water your peace lily. Water your plant a day before repotting it to ensure the roots are well hydrated. 3. Gently remove the plant. Hold the main stem and carefully tip the plant out of its pot, supporting the root ball. 4. Inspect and prune the roots. Examine the root ball for any damaged or decayed roots, and trim them using clean, sharp scissors. 5. Replant. Place your peace lily in the center of the new pot, ensuring that the crown is slightly above the soil level. Fill in the gaps with more potting mix and gently press down the soil. Water and care. Water the plant thoroughly and keep it in a well-lit area away from direct sunlight.